In this tutorial, we will see how to create a comparative market analysis, commonly referred to as CMA, in Matrix. A comparative market analysis is used to determine the fair sale value of a property, for example. To start a CMA, click the My Matrix menu, then click CMA. Click Create a new CMA, which brings you to the Start tab. Fill in the required information. You must select an existing contact or create a new one to which you can assign the CMA. Select the language in which the CMA will be created, then enter a description if desired. After completing each step of the CMA, click Save to avoid losing information along the way. Click the Pages tab. This is where you can add the desired pages to your CMA. Depending on the page selected, you will have to fill in the information from other tabs on the CMA menu bar. Here, you will find various pages organized by property category, as well as pages from the General section. Click the pages that you would like to add to your CMA to transfer them to the Selected Pages section. To change the page order or to delete pages, use the buttons to the right of the Selected Pages box. You can also add your own pages by clicking Manage Custom Pages. Here, you can upload up to 5 different PDF documents as your custom pages. For example, a custom page can be a presentation page or a statistics document. Once you have added your custom pages, click Save. These documents can be modified at any time. Selected pages can be saved by default by clicking the Set as Default button. This means that, as soon as you start a CMA, these pages will be automatically selected. Now, click the Subject tab. This is where you add the property that is the subject of your analysis. You have 3 options: manually enter the details of the subject property, download information using a centrist number, or search for a listing to call up the information. If the subject property is not yet listed, use the first option. Once you have selected the property to be analyzed, all fields will be filled out automatically. You can also add fields. These fields are linked to search criteria in Matrix. The Presentation Page tab lets you modify the presentation page if you wish. You can change the property photo, your contact's information, and your own contact information. The Comparable Properties tab lets you add the properties you want to compare to the subject property. To add comparable properties, you have 2 options. You can either add from an existing cart or from listings by doing a search. In your search, you can specify your criteria and the status of comparable properties. Of course, you can add properties from listings and from a cart at the same time. Once comparable properties are added, click Save. Choosing Map Layout as a selected page gives you access to the Map tab, which shows you where the subject property and comparable properties are located on a map. The Adjustments tab lets you adjust the price of comparable properties according to the various criteria. You can increase or decrease the value in each field to compare as accurately as possible comparable properties to the subject property to determine its most realistic selling price. Quick tip: to make adjustments easier, click the View in Detail mode option. To increase the value, enter the amount in the box. To decrease the value, enter the amount in brackets. After completing the adjustments, click the Pricing tab. Here, you will find the summary chart and fill in the suggested price box. You can also add notes. Now, click the Finish tab. You can now view your comparative market analysis by clicking View CMA. The CMA will open in PDF format, which you can download to your computer. You can also email the CMA by clicking Email the CMA. Fill in the information and click Send. Now you know how to create a CMA in Matrix.